Hey guys, Huss from Aussie 4x4 Accessories. Today we're going to be working on NP300. Started from 2015, Navara, went all the way to the 2020 model. So today we're just installing a Bullbar. We get a lot of inquiries on this. We're just trying to help people with instructions. We're doing the best we can. So we just thought instead of writing it, we'll do a bit of video. Videos, you know, pictures say 1,000 words, so hopefully this does help. So today we're installing a Hustler Bullbar. This is the one which has got the little baby loop on the top. Same, very similar system with most of our Bullbars, which has got the plastic cover, fog light, blinker and parker unit, one light unit system. Please refer to our lighting system installations on that one. Winch, still got the winch cradle, same powder coated black, same design as the Viper Bullbar, but it's just got a bit more less bolts and stuff like that. That's all. We've also got the winch mount cradle over here as well, so for the winch to sit. Yep. All right, guys. Now come over here. We'll just start with mounting brackets. So we get a lot of inquiries, basically on this part. So let's first start with the lighting system. Make sure you've got a licensed electrician or someone that is authorized to do this. You need one for your blinker, one for your parker and your earth, one for the left side and the right side. That's for the one unit, the light system. As you can see, this over here on the NP300, that's your fog light. Just with this, you've got an option with our Bullbar, which is it can clip in this. However, if that doesn't work, some of the models might change. You can hardwire it as well. So you've got the wires on that, and you just basically hardwire to this as well. I would speak to our authorized electrician when working on electrical. Next step will be your bracket. So a lot of people go, how do these work? So as you can see over here, this is the bracket. It sits under here. The bolts will line up to your original holes under here at this point and this point of the chassis underneath. So there's two over here, and then it will be two bolts over here. If you also do a zoom in there, you've got a part like this, a component. This component would reinforce itself behind the bracket just to space it out away. That way the Bullbar, this spacer pushes the Bullbar out so that the Bullbar does not hit the headlight or its surroundings such as the guard, the flare or any component there. So just letting you know, this component does need to sit in the back. We always supply our customers with a longer bolt from the chassis. So we supply them with more of a, it's 50 mil compared to its original one, which is just a little bit more smaller than that. So we supply a little bit more longer than that. You get that always, it'll be outside of the Bullbar, but we always do package it. If it is, sometimes you do not get it, give us a ring. We'll be able to tell you its size, but one second, I do have it in here as well. Here. NP125, so that's the type, 50 mil. Really good quality bolts, very, very good quality. Australian type. So that's what you'll do on the left, and the right side now. With the right side, you do receive one of these, which is just think of a wire, two bolts, not bolted here. Now, with this one here, it does come up to here. So you'll see there's two holes here.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yep. So, okay, this piece, yep, this piece does go inside the chassis. So it doesn't go on the right side, it goes on the left side of the chassis, on this side. How you mount it up is it will go through before you've assembled this, just because we wanted to show the viewers how it looks like. so you wouldn't be able to see what this part is actually. So this would have been before this is mounted up. This would have been inside there, and the holes are already here, like before, like we've said. So there's over here inside the chassis, it hasn't got any bolts that is welded, so that's why you would use this. You would use this, and this will sit inside there, inside the chassis like that. So sorry about this, guys, we didn't put it in because we wanted the viewers to see this and this part, how it works. This will secure the bottom of it more stronger. However, on the right side, on the left side of the car, passenger side, it's already been done. So the bolt has already, from the manufacturer, it's already welded. You don't need to do nothing. It has already been done. So that's why you only get one of this. It looks a bit confusing in the package when you do get it, but it's already, for the left side passenger side, it's already been done. Similar thing on the other side basically. This would go on, just this component will go on here as well. And that part, this component over here, which is the spacer, just moves it out away, moves the bullbar, spaces out a little bit away from the vehicle so it doesn't damage any headlights or anything. A lot of people say, what's this piece? That's just, we've got some pinch weld over there that we provide, just so you can put it around the bullbar, to if there was any damage or anything that's going to cause on the road or off-road. It just saves you near headlights and stuff like that as well. So we do provide you them as well. You see there'll be plenty of nuts and bolts in there. If you're left with some, don't be surprised. Sometimes they do provide us a lot more than we need, but you know, just don't get a bit surprised when you do see a little bit of that. Okay, so that's step one. We'll show you step two once we've had the bull bar onto this. Okay, thanks guys.